Hi friends, and welcome back to Treasure Brands. I am back this evening and we are going to do face moisturizer, LA Roche-Posay. This is a sample that I got. It's a double repair face moisturizer, and it's that time of year where the skin is dry. You know, you go to put on foundation and it's just dry. So I have really dry skin. I just got out of the shower, and I just did a facial cleanse and just cleaned my face. So now we're going to do the moisturizer. And I appreciate those who send me products to try. Thank you so much, my friend, for these little product samples to try. And I appreciate the subscribing, the liking, the sharing of my YouTube content, and following me on all my Instagram pages. I do appreciate that because it helps the family grow. So we're just putting on this moisture. Oh, it's soft. I can already feel the difference. It says neck and face. Oil-free, fragrance-free. Hold on. Your girl's blind. Won't clog pores, allergy tested, and paraben free. Dermatologist tested, safe for sensitive skin. I'm glad. For all skin types, including sensitive skin. An oil-free smoothing formula to help replenish essential skin lipids, restore skin's natural moisture barrier, and immediately comfort skin, proven up to 48-hour hydration. Apply to the face and neck morning and evening. Okay. Doesn't feel like any tingling or anything, so that's good. I guess I just rub it in. Yeah. It feels nice on the skin. It doesn't have any like burning or anything like that. No tingling. It just feels nice. It just feels like, you know, moisturizer, I guess. So I have 2 YouTube channels. This one is Treasure Brands, and it's where I do product reviews or just talk about life and do vlogs or whatever. But then I have a new YouTube channel called Thrill Meals, and that is where I do budgeting, grocery budgeting, and where I do meals that feed a family of 3 to 6 for under $25. I also post recipes and cooking videos. For those of you who are interested, please go and check out Thrill Meals. I would appreciate it. And, you know, help me grow my profiles and just help me enjoy life, because that's what I like doing. But yeah, this was the LA Roche-Posay face moisturizer. I got these little samples sent to me, so I'm trying those. And if you ever tried the La Roche-Posay or LA, whatever, I don't know how to say what it is, but products, dermatologist approved, drop in the comments, let me know. I don't really know what stores to buy it or any of that, but it is a great product. So far, I love it. My face is really soft. It's like baby soft. So, and it's full of moisture. And so I appreciate you guys tuning into this channel. I hope you have a great night. Sorry, you know, it's not that clean in here, but I don't care. It's bedtime. So, thank you for joining. Remember, you are valued and blessed, and someone somewhere is thinking of you. Have a blessed night. Bye.